Respected Rana members, आप सभी को नमस्कार and जय माता दी. Thank you for joining the call at such a short notice to discuss a very critical issue in our wonderful organization. We support our NEC for their work and raise our concern. We did it. The intent of the recent survey may be right in their view, but there are obvious flaws the way it has been worded and asking for approval. Survey third and fourth, sending a wrong message as it is violating the fundamental rights of our Rana members. I will request Rajesh Singh Bhai to moderate today's session, asking your thoughts, one member at a time, and at end we will give the floor for open discussion. So I like to give floor Rajesh Bhai, our secretary, Arizona chapter's general secretary.
Thank you, Rambaji. Thank you, Rambaji. Like Rambaji mentioned, it is supposed to be kind of an open forum and people can give their opinion. So I don't have to kind of just to make sure not multiple people are talking at the same time. So I'll request all members to go on mute if somebody is talking, so our conversation can go without disruption. Satyendraji, I can't see every member on my screen, so I'd like to start with some senior member from Rana. They can start giving their opinion. So it will be nice if you can look at your screen and start calling some member. That will be helpful.
Okay, can we start with Onkar uncle then?
Yeah, thank you.
Well, can you hear me?
Yeah,
yes,
we can hear you, uncle.
Yes, okay. My name is Onkar Singh. I saw the survey. And since I was the one who started about the senior citizens, so I'm happy to see that they have included that item. Whether it will pass Iran, I don't know. Okay, the next item, which is the fees for the any candidate who wants to apply for president or general secretary. I think the fees is, there should be some fees, but the amount which is there is very high. And well, this is not the forum to decide how much it should be good and bad, but only thing I can say that the amount for the enrollment as a candidate is very high. It should be reduced significantly. And item 3 and 4, I do not approve. I do not want to discuss here because there are a lot of people. They have a lot of time to talk about it. So only thing I disapprove, item number 3 and 4. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Onkar uncle ji.
Thank you.
Thank you, Uncle ji.
Rajesh bhai, let's go to Lakshmipati Singh ji.
Yep, thank you.
मेरा नाम लक्ष्मीपति सिंह है और हम द फाउंडिंग स्ट्रिंगर of Georgia Alabama chapter, plus I am the VP for NEC in 2011-13, and then 13 to 15, I was a 13 and 14, I was a NEC president. That a lot of problem is going on right now, and they are trying to hide a lot of information from General Rana members. Not even that, they are trying to stop coming the new generation, new blood in the Rana. And the way they send the survey, you don't need the senior citizens group because community or secretary, he can do that work. As long as it goes for IT, that IT can be done by membership secretary. Other So 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm going to disapprove all of them. And you all wanted to see that what I wrote, then you can get the full picture of that, what's going on in current NEC.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your kind of nice words. Satinder ji, kind of any question, anything we want to ask from senior, we can ask here if we want to.
We have open discussion.
No, we can do that in the open
Last.
discussion.
Okay, okay. Okay, so
Unless,
let's go to
somebody
the
has
next one.
any question right now, we can take one.
So, hey, hi, this is Abhishek Singh. I have invited Sanjay ji and Balram Singh ji also.
Yeah.
So let's give them chance, and actually they don't have any understanding even. They said that I'm not fully aware of that. So let's put them here.
Okay, yeah. So I think the next we would like to hear from Dr. Sanjay Singh ji. He has been our past president before this NEC, and I think he has a much better perspective from the current Rana NEC perspective. So I will invite Dr. Sanjay Singh ji to speak now. Dr. Saab,
yeah. Thank you. Yeah, I was trying to unmute. Thank you, Satinder bhai. Thank you, Rambaji, and thank you all esteemed members, past president, Lakshmipati Singh ji, Onkar Singh ji. It was good to see you, and Balram bhai. Glad to have you here. You see, the point is that it is not about the content of the survey that is important. The process that we take in any democratic organization, that is important. So like I am opposed to the process that NEC has taken, and I have expressed my opinion directly to Gajendra ji, current president, NEC president. So if the process is wrong, then the entire content becomes irrelevant. So when I talk about the process, what I talk is that there should have been a discussion in the last general body meeting, or maybe a conference call would have been called. There would have been a process that, hey, we are doing this survey. What are the questions? Is there any question from general body? Then what will be next? What will be next? And then Constitution has laid down some guideline, how you can make any amendments to this process. Even though we may agree with some of the things like senior membership secretary should be added, but the content is not important right now, the process. So this process looks like that, are you targeting somebody, which is not good. If you are, I don't know. We don't know anybody's intent, so we cannot question anybody's intent. But this can come to people's mind. You just send a survey like that, and then you are the jury, you are the witness, you are the judge. It doesn't work that way. And then you don't even communicate with the general body, and then when we are meeting, you say it is propaganda. No, it is not propaganda. I love Rana as much as anybody on this forum. I have spent number of hours, lot of time, energy in every way, and I want Rana to succeed, and I continue to work hard. So this survey, the process is wrong, and that makes the entire content invalid. We can't even discuss the content if you didn't start the process in the right way. And as I said, the Constitution has some guidelines that, hey, you go like that, you have to give 14-day notice to people that, hey, we are proposing this. What is your, then 2/3 of the general body, and I know all of you are more educated than me, so I don't need to go through that. So I'm disgusted with the process. So I don't want to even discuss about the content, and it is nothing personal. Who becomes the president is not very relevant. Who doesn't become is not very relevant. Life goes on, and we all know life is short. So let's be civil, let's be at peace, and let's handle it in the appropriate way. So I will just end my talk here. I'll be happy to answer any question if anybody has particularly to me regarding last NEC or anything like that related to this issue.
I completely agree with you, Sanjay. I mean, we all love Rana and we really want it to succeed. And I agree with you that it is the process that needs to be followed, not just create something out of the blue, you know. So I really agree with you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sanjay ji. This is really, really nice input here for everyone. So I really appreciate your feedback. And
Okay, so I think Rajesh bhai, we should go to Dr. Balram Singh ji.
yes, please.
Namaskar. I don't really have much to say. I'm looking for where this survey is. I couldn't find in my WhatsApp. So if somebody can summarize what this is. I just got a call from Abhishek that I should join, and I'm happy to join, and hopefully, we can find some way to solve this problem, because there are much bigger issues in life than, these silly things, and there should be a way to resolve it. And I agree with Sanjay ji, there should be a proper process, at least a proper process, if nothing else. So hopefully that will take place. But I really, honestly, I was looking for what exactly this survey is. I couldn't find. What is it that they're trying to do? Somebody can summarize in 1 minute.
Yeah, Satyenji, can you just read out that thing?
Yes.
Yeah, it seems like is anyone sharing their screen?
Sanjay uncle's phone.
Oh, so Dr. Saab, So okay, so let me read that email.
Can you hear me? This is Gunwanshi also.
Hello, Gunwan Singh ji.
Yeah, we can hear
we
you,
can
sir.
hear you.
Okay.
Namaste, Bapu.
So Dr. Balram Singh ji, in nutshell, NEC has sent an email with an attached survey, and the content of the email says that it is time for Rana to make election-related reform. And then when you click on the survey link, you will have 4 survey questions with the option of approve or disapprove. So first survey question is that we need to create 2 new NEC position, one of senior citizen secretary, and the second is the IT secretary. The second survey question is about election cost. It is proposing to charge $750 from the contestant who wants to run for president position, and vice president secretary is $500, and the rest of the position is, I think it is $300. So those 2 are the first and second. The third one is more disturbing, as it says that in order to become Rana president, one has to serve in NEC as an elected or nominated member. So if you have never been a NEC member, you cannot contest for president's election. And the fourth point is which quite weird, that it says that if you run for a position for 2 times and you lost the election, then you cannot contest any position for the 3rd time.
Okay, got it. Okay. So I think it's in the email, and I haven't looked at my emails.
One of the things I will add, Satyenji, like along with this 4 questionnaire, the email came out reflected they are going to make a decision and change based on this response, survey response. And that was kind of one of the big problematic things, because survey, Rana Constitution does not allow that. You have to go through GVM to get approval of any change in the Constitution.
Yeah. Okay, that's important point. I see what the issues are, and I think this is a scuttling the process, and it should not be done in the best interest of the organization. And
Absolutely.
hopefully the better senses will prevail in discussing with some of these people. Obviously, there's no reason, and I heard that there is no reason to doubt that they have certain intention or the other, because just it's not one. Nobody knows that, but the point is that this is probably not the right process. Even GBM they can call. Obviously, in Corona time you cannot call in person, but you can always call online, and there is a way to verify everything, everybody's participation, other things. So I think it's a good. Dr. Sanjay Singh's idea is good. It's the process needs to be done properly, and it should also be done by an independent group of people. I mean, I don't know what the Constitution says, but election process should be done by an independent group rather than people who are running the show or who may be interested in running the show. It should be done by people who is like a group that is not interested in like a independent type of group within the Rana, and they should be the one who should be running some of these, even if it is a survey or even if it is a GBM or whatever that is, if that's what they want to do. So that's my view. I hope that we will find out a way to communicate and solve this problem, because again, my biggest problem with Rana is not doing anything major. Sanjay Singh tried to do some good things. Lakshmipati Singh also, I mean, I remember talking to both of them regularly. But we need to find something better in life to do through Rana rather than for Rana. It is the important thing. Rana should be the instrument rather than Rana should be the end point. And I hope that we have a responsibility as the descendants of Rajputs. We really have responsibility to do something for the society. And I hope that this process does not come in the way of doing that. Thank you.
Thank you, Vaisal.
Thank you, Dr. Balram Singh ji. Means your point of view is highly appreciated, and we all look forward to you for betterment of Rana. And the whole purpose of this meeting is to convey the message that what is right and what is wrong. Even though the intentions may be right, but the way you put the things together, if it is not coming across in the right way, then even the best of the intents goes wrong. So with that, Rajesh, I will just go with the screen. Maybe I will ask Gunwant ji is there. Prabha, aap hain wahan pe?
Ji.
So Prabha ji has been our first ever women Rana president. So we would like to hear from Prabha ji what her thoughts are on this recent survey.
Namaste everybody, good evening. Can you hear me? I think you can, right?
Yeah, we can hear you, Prabha ji.
Yeah,
Yes,
so
I'm looking at the survey as plain survey. I hope they are not going to make a change a rule or something based on the survey. If they simply want to know how we feel about each item, I don't see there is anything wrong with that. As regarding as the process is concerned, I mean, NEC has some say and some prerogative to, put questions and suggestions for us. So I don't see it as anything that negative at this point. You know what I'm saying?
Prabha, can I ask you a question?
Sure.
This is kind of on the email came, and some people responded to clarify what is the intention, and NEC never responded saying, okay, hey, this is just to understand, because email, the way it shows up and it says this based on your feedback, we'll make a decision to change or something. Can't we, NEC can come back and clarify, hey, this is just to kind of understand the kind of how people feel. No decision will be taken. Decision will be done through our proper process in GBM.
So Rajesh, I also want to add one thing, what Prabhaji just said, that if this is just a survey to get people opinion, then first of all, they need to make sure that it has been followed through the process and NEC is on board with it.
Agree.
You ask somebody else whether they are on board or not, because it is NEC team that needs to be on board, and once they have approved, then they can ask for people opinion. But here it looks like they want to go with it based on what people will say. Doesn't matter what constitution or process says.
So are you saying that some of the NEC members are not for this proposal?
No, Prabhaji, all I'm saying is that if this is something they want to do, right, so then they can go through the process, make sure that NEC team, the 2/3 majority is in favor of it, right?
Right.
Once they are in favor, then you can ask for people's opinion, right? But you are going and asking people's opinion before, right? So that doesn't feel right there.
I see.
Yeah,
I see.
just one clarification, Ranjana ji and Prabhaji, great question. And as Rajesh ji was saying, in the email, it says that in consultation with NEC and some senior members, this survey is being sent out. So Ranjana ji, sounds like NEC is on board. Did you intend to say that they should do a GBM survey, and then if there is 2/3 of people are in favor of doing a survey like this, then go ahead with that? Did your intent was that? Because email says like NEC is on board.
Because the thing is, they cannot go with it until they have the 2/3 majority. So whatever people say doesn't have any value.
Yeah, so she means, instead of saying NSC, she means general body meeting, 2/3 approval from general body meeting, from the general body, general body to get the 2/3 approval.
Prabhaji, this is a LP thing.
प्रणाम।
कहने का मतलब ये है कि अभी जो है इलेक्शन के समय में ये मैसेज भेजना जो है सर्वे, it's real something bothering everybody, okay?
Right.
And some of senior member, who is a senior member? Why you are scared putting the name of those senior member? I'm a senior member. I was a founding father of Georgia Alabama chapter. I was a vice president of NEC. I was a president of NEC. I never talked to those people. They never call me. So you tell me what is the intent for that? There again, if you ask my opinion, I'll say that they want to stop the young generation to come to NEC because there is no places, there is no organization. I belong to organization, they have about 60,000, 70,000 people all over the world. And they never ask for, if you have to run for president, you have to pay the fee for that. If you are, you have to have serve in a board to get the run for president. But here, that's a totally unethical, okay? Because if you want to bring the new generation, then you should not go for all these things. Not only Rana, you was a president, and you know that a lot of people, they are working outside in civilian job. They have 1,000 times more responsibility than what Rana being as a president. Plus a lot of people, PhD or doctor, working under them. Do you think they are not qualified for Rana president?
But aren't we all assuming something without any facts right now? Why don't we just answer the survey, yes or no, or disapprove or approve? Why can't we just do that?
Just hold on. I just saw the email from Gajendra on WhatsApp. He's writing that this is the propaganda on this Zoom meeting is only for propaganda and to watch the people's brain.
Yeah,
Do you think that's a good thing to NEC president should write like that?
No, it's not. It's not.
So
it's not.
Can I share something? There's Krishna Singh, by the way. Just thank you all for sharing my perspective on this is, what Dr. Sanjay Singh said earlier, right? It's the process and the content is irrelevant. The content, the way it came out in the email, as Rajesh Singh said, it clearly says that NEC and some senior member has decided this. We ask you to respond. Based on your response, we'll share the results. I will make reform changes for the election. So that creates this confusion about
oh, so this, the election reform and changes are going to be done through this particular survey. So there is a process question. And I think somebody in NAC should be, one or more NAC members, if anybody on the call, should be able to clearly clarify that, hey, is this just to get input from people, that what people think about it, or is it just that based on that we'll be making changes? That's, the content is irrelevant, right? If anything that is done through process, let's say, I will pick one question. If it is determined that anytime we want somebody to be a Rana president, they need to serve in NEC for a certain period of time, that's perfectly could be okay. For any organization, it could be okay, as long as you don't do it with ill intent, just before the election is starting and potentially giving an impression that you are targeting somebody not to be able to qualify. So it's perfectly okay. Organization can make that decision. The process through which organization should make the decision is through the general body meeting, getting people consensus that should be put it on the ballot. Another thing it can be done is next time when election happens, put these questions on the ballot, let people respond to that and apply that next time onwards. That could be perfectly okay. But it's, going back to Dr. Sanjay Singh's question, its content is irrelevant. It's the process which is the issue. And I think if, without assuming anything, to your point, Prabhaji, without assuming any ill intent, I think we all adults, I think some NEC should be able to respond to many who have raised this question and should come back to clarify that if, in there. I think that's the main point that I would like.
Thank you, Krishna. That was a really to the point, and Sanjay Singh, and kind of that's a kind of I talked to a lot of people around this, and everyone was about this. It's a process. Questions, like you mentioned, any organization can make any decision. They can bring to GBM. There's a process. Forget about what the internal is, but the process followed and the way email reflected, it looks like, okay, hey, this is the whoever respond and they'll make a decision and they'll do the changes.
Yeah. But here, hi, I have one point to raise. So this is a fantastic meeting and this is a fantastic forum where we are sharing our thoughts. So I would we should also think about what would be the outcome of this meeting. So my suggestion is like that we should form a 3-4 people group who can go and talk, because Rana is all about the family matter, right? So just we have a senior presidents, we have intellectuals, right? So at the end, just form one group and talk to them, NEC and other senior member, put them in a group and just share the thought like this is the thing in a very proper family manner way. Exactly. And like somebody said,
very good point.
Also respond
I completely agree, and I think they should record the meeting so that we can hear the discussion too.
Abhishek,
go ahead.
Abhishek, you said that we just got that email from Gajendra Singh. He's dear extended Rana member. As might you know, a few Rana members are making a propaganda against the survey, and few WhatsApp group and some group profile, and they are organizing the conference call today against the NEC survey. Do you think those people, they are concerned about your group and talking to you?
I don't know. Yeah.
So I think.
Let
Abhishek,
Bauji, I don't know what is your name, and if you tell,
LP Singh.
Acha,
LP Singh.
ठीक है. Bauji, pranam. Actually, that's why in the last moment when I heard that this meeting is there through Satish Bhai, I immediately called to some of the people who is, I think they have already holding the position of president, and they have a lot of things and thought process. So that's why I said that just you guys are always accepted. If you speak, everybody in the Rana will listen. So I say like that, just 3-4 people at the end of this meeting, at least create a group.
Yes,
open the channel of negotiation and communication. Yeah.
Thank you, Abhishek.
Yeah, thank you, Abhishek. That's what we will do because we are recording the content. I'm making some notes also.
Wonderful.
So based on that, we will prepare a note that this is what we discussed in the meeting and share with the NEC.
Okay, well, that's where
we
it feels like my wisdom tooth is. Mine is
Can you go on?
two.
Hey,
Okay.
those,
Hi, Nagenji.
Nagen Singh,
Yeah,
please
please
be
put
on
yourself
mute.
in
Oh,
mute,
thank you.
please.
If you are
Hi,
not
everyone.
speaking, please put yourself mute.
Yeah, so Abhishek will make a note, and it's a great suggestion. We will take 4 or 5 members from this meeting and then use those meeting notes to apprise them what we discussed and as well as each and every member's view. And then those 4 or 5 people can share the outcome of this meeting with the NEC, and then we'll hope that NEC will take cognizance of that and take appropriate action. So thank you, Abhishek. Great
Sounds
this
reasonable.
is Sanjay here, from Chandler, Arizona, right? So, this is what my thinking is, right? So I totally agree with Krishna and Sanjay ji, right? The process is not good. The other thing, we should not be worried about this survey. This is just a survey, You should participate in the survey, whatever your opinions are.
No, you are right. But why this kind of survey? Why?
See, that is a different that comes under a
No,
process, right?
no
That is a
initiative can
process.
be put forward in a perfect way. Somebody is trying to do something new.
Right.
Before we object, let's think. I am
Why they
agreeing with
want to
Prabhaji.
I just take this as a survey.
Okay.
It's
Hold on, everyone.
No matter what we
Hold
say
on,
and what
everyone.
we do, we can question the process. See the intent. As of now, we all agree that process was not fault. As of now, we all agree there is no quantifiable logic. Why we are objecting? What will go wrong if we follow that? I
And
personally feel that second point is not appropriate in the question.
So,
here.
Prabhatji,
don't you think
great point.
that intent was wrong also?
Only okay, unless we have a better suggestion, it's not appropriate to object somebody trying to do just for the sake of process, but no process is perfect anyway. And second point is that it has been pretty much, unfortunately, our tradition to have process violation in pretty much every election. There should be, it's time for change. What is that we are trying to propose? If you can say that in place of question 2, we should do this, I agree, process is not followed. I agree.
But
my
do you
point
think
is that
that during the election, you have to send this kind of survey?
I am saying that process is not for anybody can say anything based on his maturity and communication style that can be appropriate or not appropriate. That I'm not questioning that. But my point is that before we can reboot, we have to propose something better. That, hey, when you just leave it for 2 times, this is what's going to happen. Can we do this alternatively? With this one, we'll have a point.
Prabhatji, this is Krishna saying, so just, I think just to clarify a few things, my understanding of it is the way the email is written. If you absolutely read the email, it clearly articulates, please respond to this survey. Based on the survey, we will share the results and make election reform changes. And, so
if they can legally do so, they will do it. If they cannot legally, one person's poorly framed sentence should not be that big issue.
So the problem is, Prabhatji, this is not one person.
I would just
Sanjay,
one
why
thing
don't
here.
you read that constitution, Rana constitution,
Prabhat Singh.
and then you talk about that?
Prabhat Singh, Bhai Sahab,
okay.
I want to say one thing here.
Little give pause here. Okay. I think everyone, please pause. I think Rajesh Bhai, we need to go back to our original plan to get everyone's view and then open the discussion.
Exactly. So let's
So,
go to the next member.
Just one point here. Just one point here. That look, I mean, everybody's time is valuable, right? If you send things like that, that is also waste of other people's time.
Yeah.
You are right, but we have an option of not to talk about it, and we can save our time.
No,
somebody has not followed a process, I agree. So what we can do about it? If anything, I have not read the guideline. I have not read the guideline.
All I'm saying is we have to follow the process and value other people's time also.
Let's go to the next member opinion.
So, Narendra Uncle ji, are you there?
Are you talking to me, Narendra?
Yeah, please go ahead. I thought I was actually looking for Narendra Khichi, Uncle Ji.
No, I'm not.
But that's fine. You go ahead, sir, and share your thought.
Yeah, so I'm Narendra Singh Parmar. I'm Rana Western Canada chapter so far treasurer, and I know mostly Satish Uncle here and Ramba Singh Ji, for whom I voted in the previous election. So yeah, so I was just going through this survey, and I feel like let me pull it out really quick. I feel like point number 1 is okay to me. Point number 4, okay. Point number 2 is also okay to me. Yeah, point number 3, I have a quick example, like someone who can serve. Let's say I give a quick example of Narendra Modi, that he served. He was like a chief minister of a state. He never served as a minister in central government, but he was able to scale his governance skill on the state level to national level. So he never served, but he was able to even take charge of entire nation's control, like he became prime minister. So I don't agree with point number 3 here. And point number 4, like 2 terms, that can be discussed. So yeah, these are my quick views on this. Thank you, because I want to give everyone time as well to speak. Yeah,
thank you. Can we go to the next?
Let's go to Pushpa Aunty. Pushpa Aunty, if you can switch on your video.
Namaste, Aunty. Mute में है.
Oh, namaste everybody, and God bless you all. I don't have much to say because everything is changing so rapidly that I just don't know what to say, you know. And Rana was going so smoothly and very nicely that I could not even think that now it's going this way. So my blessings are with you all. Please try to work it out and get going, because any organization has their own views. Everybody has their own views, but Rana is such a wonderful organization, and I'm so proud of Rajput Biradari. Please work it out. I just request you all. God bless you all. Jai Mata Ki.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Aunty. Say something about your opinion. I don't know.
I'm too old to say, because now everybody is changed, and so many new people with new views. So I just can't say much, Thakur Saab, So that's what it is. I can only bless everybody.
You are representing JB Singh, so you should say something. No, that's not right.
ठीक है, Uncle Ji. I think we should honor Auntie's thought on this one, and so let's move on to Gunwant Bapu.
I see Gunwant Singh and Satish Ji. So next one, Gunwant.
Yeah.
Namaste, good evening, everyone. And
Mehender bhai, please mute kar lijiye.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. Yeah.
Okay. So good evening to everybody. I can see everyone, and glad to see everyone. I'm listening everyone, and everybody is talking great. Regarding the survey, looks like these guys are just rush. Okay, they are not that organized. I can say that much. And there is a couple of ways everybody mentioned that they should not. I mean, they don't have the right process. Yeah, what Sanjay ji told, even Lakshmipati ji told. So, and they just rush, and so everybody doesn't like that. basically. Another thing, they cannot ask a couple of things the way they want, and it looks it looks I can say it looks ugly. Number one is okay, but still Lakshmipati ji explained, and same way I have in my head that senior citizen activities, whatever, even community relation secretary can take. Because I will give you example. Anybody got any email from community relations in our term or anything? No. IT is important. IT work, NSC has a lot of IT work. So IT they can do. But same way, magazine secretary. Did we get any email from magazine secretary in 2 years? No. So if we choose magazine secretary with IT expertise, so that position also can be handled, but still IT is okay if they want. Number two still they should take. We are not that poor. Okay, Rana is not that poor, so they have to beg the money right way. Rana did so many fundraising, so they can just say fundraising. Come on, guys, we want to just need some money for election, so people will donate money, and they can handle. So that was not a survey part or number 3 and number 4, no sense. Okay, they should not do that. I tell you, yeah, whatever they in their mind is okay. They should not do that at all, and they should not do it. And when they are about to end their term and about to declare the election, any reform they want to do at this point, yes, they can do. They do homework and they can prepare everything, and they can pass to the next NEC. Rana is one. Not think that we are this and another team is this. No, whatever they have, and they can pass. So we saw a lot of upset on this. So they were not organized.
Thank you, Gunwant Singh ji. Thank you. I think there's a kind of.
Thank you, Bapu.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank
next, can we hear from Vijender Tanwar ji? Vijender bhai. Okay. Can we hear from Chandrika Ban? Chandrika Yadav ji? Hello, Chandrika ji. Good to see you.
Good evening and Jai Mataji to each one of you. And thank you, Rambaji, for setting up this call. I wanted to thank each one of you as well. I am a New Jersey chapter members, as well as previously I served 8 years ago. I served as a president of New Jersey chapter, and previous term I was a membership secretary in my first term of when we first formed New Jersey chapter, and Gajendra Singh was the NJ chapter president at that time. So I've been connected to Rana for over 10 years now. So again, as Pushpanti, and we have a lot of senior members sitting in this forum, and all the seniors taught us well, and this organization is great. Each one of you work very hard, and a lot of other members. Prabhaji, you were one of my team members, and a lot of others that we have. Gunwant Uncle also from, right, he's originally from New Jersey, and right now he's in California. So I work with many of you and I learned from it. So one thing that I do wanted to say that is, first of all, our organization is great. We have to work as a team. I think each one of us can have a different ideas, different perspective of taking it. I heard many of you giving your opinion, and I agree with a lot of these points that has already been discussed. is, first of all, the email came from NEC with multiple questions, and that can be done by the ballot questions. I heard a few of you already say that. So that can be done. Survey is okay to have it, as Prabhaji and Dr. Sanjay Singh already said. Okay to have it, and we need people. Without people, this organization cannot run, right? Each one of you are very important part, and each one of you respective members' opinion is very valuable. So going back to the recent notification that came from NEC, the propaganda is going on with other groups, in several groups, whatever. I think that was unprofessional in my opinion. Each one of us should have right to discuss, and we should ask NEC. First, when these questions were raised by many other people from, I think, WhatsApp media, and I'm one of the members that don't answer a lot of things unless I have to, some certain things. So we should, who makes the NEC? Us. And each one of the NEC members, they are our own people. They putting their, and I'm telling you because I have done a lot of work for New Jersey chapter, and I'm enjoying myself working my local chapter level, and my contribution, you can ask anybody in a New Jersey chapter and they'll tell you. So NEC members are our own people. Yes, they have made a mistake. The process issue, we all notice, right? We have to correct that, and they will correct, they need to correct. So talking about each other, pointing fingers, I think it's not going to get us anywhere. That's my opinion to each one of you. I'm not taking anybody's favor. Yes, they messed up. The question should not be, and I'm not going to go to each one of the questions that is already been discussed. So few questions. Each and every member have right to do what they need to do and run the election. Right, Sanjay Bhai, when you were president, you asked me to be your culture secretary, and I declined that. You remember that? I can see you in the screen. So what I'm saying is that each one of us has right to, and new ideas come, we have to accept that. So survey is very healthy to have it. Anything that we do in this world, you have to fill up. I got my vaccine survey done last week. I got it. I have to fill out the survey within 5 minutes. How was your experience? And what? It was a phenomenal team that they put together program. So I had to do the survey. So it's okay to have it. The question, the content is the issue. We need to ask NEC what NEC could have done better within 24 hours since the first email came to now. They could have little bit clarified, like why people asking each other opinion. Why do we have to even talk? They could have clarified that, okay, this is just for your feedback, and we will talk about it, and so forth. So my request, I know somebody already requested that we should have the team. And the team, whoever will be the team member, should ask NEC. We have every right to ask NEC. We have to define all these criteria at the NEC level, and then expectation needs to have from the local chapter. That's my opinion. So
thank you.
I'm not going to go to yes or no, but this is my opinion, and I want to thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak. And you guys are listening to what I said. So that's me. I hope that will resolve this, and we need to resolve. It's our own organization, so let's work as a team and get that done. Thank you.
Thank you, Satyenderji. I think we have a lot of members on this village.
So let's go to Kusumdi. Kusumdi, where are you?
Namaste, everybody. I'm Kusum Singh. I was Vice President of NEC 2015 to 17, and before that, Magazine Secretary 2013 to 15. So as many of you have already pointed out, that the premise of the survey is faulty. And if the premise of something is faulty, then we cannot discuss the content. NEC in its email said that NEC will make election reform changes based on your input. And that is saying something to members which is not true, because NEC cannot make election reform like that. And for the last 2 days, there has been so much discussion on different WhatsApp platforms. NEC had all the opportunity in the world to come out and correct itself, say whatever they wanted to, but they chose not to do that. The Constitution is changed by mailed amendments, not by random self-serving surveys. And they also said it has been sent to all the members. The email has been sent to all the members. You know, roughly 800 members along with the spouses is 1,600 members. And 2/3 of that is 1,066 emails. NEC probably has nowhere close to that. Many members don't even give their emails to NEC. And through constant contacts, not even half of them open their emails. So, I mean, like we said, the premise itself is incorrect. And even if they say we have sent to all the members, that itself is not true. So this survey was sent just a couple of weeks before the formation of the election team should be announced for the elections to happen, so that new NEC can take over on May 1st. And now all this chaos has been created by NEC. So we all should pay attention to what is the goal that they are trying to achieve by creating all this chaos. Is this on purpose or is this accidental? Look what is happening all over WhatsApp, and we are meeting on this Zoom conference and all that. And there is conflict of interest because it is public knowledge that a couple of members of NEC are interested in running for the position of the president. So sending this email, trying to box members and trying to discourage them, like you don't have this experience, that experience, that's problematic. So that's what I have to say.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Kusum.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's hear from Shitanshu from Boston.
सब लोग को नमस्ते मेरा काफी लोग
अगर अपना वीडियो ऑन कर लें आप।
नहीं वीडियो ऑन नहीं करेंगे, हमने दाढ़ी नहीं बनाया है तो और ऐसे ही
अरे तो उसमें क्या संता क्लॉज बन जाओ।
नहीं ठीक है अंकल जी, रहने दीजिए सिंह साहब। नाइस टू सी एवरीबॉडी दो, सो थैंक यू वेरी मच एवरीवन फॉर कमिंग। मेरा 2-3 चीज है, मेरा क्वेश्चन। सबसे बड़ी बात है कि बहुत सबने एक ही बात कहा कि सर्वे से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है और सर्वे होना चाहिए, सर्वे इज हेल्दी, जैसा अभी चंद्रिका यादव जी कह रही थी। तो NEC शुड जस्ट मेंशन दैट। तो जो भी कमेटी की बात अभी चल रही है वो कमेटी को जा करके बात करना चाहिए कि आप लोग सबसे पहले क्लैरिफिकेशन दे दीजिए कि बेस्ड ऑन द सर्वे नो चेंजेस पीरियड, नो चेंजेस इज गोइंग टू बी मेड। ये बात सबसे पहले की तरफ से आना चाहिए कि सर्वे जो है ठीक है, हम लोग को सर्वे से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लेकिन अगर सर्वे के बल पर आप जो है कोई चेंजेज इंप्लीमेंट करेंगे तो वो वैलिड नहीं होगा, मान्य नहीं होगा। दूसरी बात क्या है कि हम लोग को सत्येंद्र भाई ये सोचना है कि अगर सर्वे के बल पर चेंजेज लोग इंप्लीमेंट करते हैं देन व्हाट नेक्स्ट, ये कोई नहीं बोला, क्योंकि पहले भी NEC में बहुत सारी गलत चीज हुई है और उसको इंप्लीमेंट किया गया है। और पर्टिकुलरली हम काफी टाइमिंग के बारे में हम बड़ा सस्पिशियस रहते हैं। जब भी केयर टेकर लोग जो आता है वो लोग लास्ट में करने की कोशिश करता है, वो लोग हमेशा गलत काम करता है। हम ये पहले भी देखे हैं। और सबसे बड़ी बात क्या है कि जैसे कोई भी रिफॉर्म्स होना चाहिए, आई एम ऑल फॉर द रिफॉर्म्स, बट कोई भी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन आता है तो दे कम अप विद द फर्स्ट 30 days ऑफ एजेंडा, फर्स्ट 100 days ऑफ द एजेंडा, बट नॉट लास्ट 100 days ऑफ द एजेंडा। लास्ट 100 days में, लास्ट 50 days में लोग आता है तो वो जो है सो थोड़ा सस्पिशियस हो जाता है कि उसमें जो है सो किसके बेनिफिट के लिए लोग कर रहे हैं। तो ये जो है सो सबसे बड़ी। तीसरी बात है कि बार बार ये बात उठ रही है कि इस तरह का रिफॉर्म्स जो है सो सर्वे से नहीं हो सकता है, GVM से हो सकता है। लेकिन मेरी अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्या है कि इवन GVM से भी नहीं हो सकता है। अगर GVM में जो है सो सबसे बड़ी बात है कि GVM में तो 1600 आदमी अटेंड करेगा नहीं कोई भी मीटिंग में। तो ये this should not be like that 2/3 of the people who has attended the GVM can decide any constitutional change. That is my understanding. Or neither जो है 2/3 of the people of the survey, if they decide something like put the survey something like that and they can make the changes, it should not be like that. So what should be the next action item? If our representative goes and talk to them and they don't listen to them. They go ahead and decide, like, implement it. Then what we are going to do? So these are the things we need to talk.
Thank you. These are very, very good points. You brought it up.
और सबसे पहली बात क्या है कि ये अनड्रामेटिक है, और जैसा कि लोग बोलते हैं कि कुछ लोग हम कुछ सीनियर मेंबर्स और एनईसी मिलकर डिसाइड कर लिए। हमारे यहाँ एनईसी में एक बड़ा गलत प्रथा चल रही है कि कुछ सीनियर मेंबर, हम चंडाल चौकड़ी बोलते हैं, सॉरी टू से, आई एम नॉट गोना एलोबरेट ऑन दैट, लेकिन वो कुछ लोग मिल करके डिसाइड करते हैं कि ये स्लेट के कैंडिडेट कौन होंगे और सारे पोजीशन पर कौन होंगे। हम लोग को स्ट्रांगली इसको डिस्करेज करना चाहिए और वचन लेना चाहिए कि कोई भी आदमी अगर स्लेट से आ रहा है तो पहला धर्म यह है कि उनको पहले हराना है, बिकॉज दे आर नॉट रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ द होल राना, दे आर रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ द फ्यू वेरी ग्रुप जो कि उनका अपना पर्सनल ये है, इंटरेस्ट ग्रुप है, और ये इंटरेस्ट ग्रुप राना में या किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए हेल्दी नहीं है। दैट इज व्हाट आई वांटेड टू सम अप विद।
Thank you, Siddhantu Bhai. I think you got some very valid point, and I will put that into our meeting notes for the 4 or 5 people coming to okay, so next let's hear from Brajesh Singh ji.
Thank you all for giving me chance. I am here to say that I am not aware of any constitution of Rana or anything. But I am against this survey, and all 4 points are rejected by me. I agree with Sitanshu and the other younger fellow who was talking, and Dr. Sanjay Singh. And I never said thank you to Dr. Sanjay Singh. When you were president of Rana, you did fantastic job. I saw all your mails and messages. I liked it, and hopefully our coming president will do the same under your guidelines. And all the seniors ko mera pranam, Omkar uncle, Pushpa aunty, and rest of the gang. I don't know many people, Lakshmi ji ko khali main naam suna hu, but I know from JB uncle to Omkar uncle and many others. And lastly I knew Dr. Sanjay Singh. So mera yahi hai ki I reject all these 4 proposals conducted by any survey or any survey conducted, and I don't know the participant of those survey. We need to have it's a very simple process. Anything, any organization you want to change, I will send a mail that these are the proposal I am proposing. Let me have the opinion, and then later on we will send it out to the survey. The core committee should do it. That's all, and thanks for giving me chance to speak, and I will listen to now.
Thank you.
Thank you, Brajesh Bhai.
Thank you, Bhai sir.
Let me go to the top of the screen. I see Naresh Chawda Bhai is on the screen. Naresh Chawda Bhai, can you share your thoughts, please?
Thank you. I think I got the email from Satish Bhai and Satinder ji about joining this meeting, and thank you for inviting all of us. About the survey, as everyone saying, like my personal view also, like organization run with those kind of activity, and they have like NSA is the highest body, whoever they elected, so they have a right to do this kind of survey. So I'm okay, particularly in this COVID-19 situation, like that's the only way they can get the opinion. Second point about the 4 point they ask in a survey. So if I'm not wrong, in the last AGM, there's a discussion about the senior citizen particular, like, one position or senior citizenship directorship or one group of the people who are just handling those part. And even though election candidate fees also we discussed in the last AGM, I believe. So new NEC need to follow up on that as per within the legal framework. I'm okay with that personally, Mudhu sir, and Chandrika and other people told survey is also okay. The particular point they have, like president's candidate, actually, they're supposed to serve the NEC for a year or 2 when passed. What is like many association, like I got one input from other member, like many association have a constitution bylaws already established. So whoever come in the director position or this constitution position, their selection criteria or what kind of skill base they need actually. It is not in our Rana, And as Rana constitution is very clear, like anyone can constitute for any position. So as per the constitution, I am agree, like it is not supposed to the condition like whoever want to run for the president election. They're supposed to have some NEC position served in past. One more thing, like as I understood the constitution, they don't need a majority of 2/3 part of AGM or SGM, but they must absolute majority. So how many members we have? Many are maybe already not in this world actually, and their membership is continued with name and email ID or phone number. So there is an absolute majority we need to change the constitution in Rana actually, as per my understanding. I saw like almost 2 terms with Kusumji and there were many members with Mohansi to Rana NEC in 2015 2017. That's my understanding. So just summarizing, with the survey I'm okay. Couple of like fees or the number of 2 committees they want to increase, 2 positions they want to increase, that's also I'm okay. But this all supposed to reform with a 2/3 absolute majority, not like within the. It is not like NEC decision. What I suggest, like definitely we have this urgent meeting to discuss this thing. Did anyone like thought, or maybe some people thought, if they put one line in the survey, like okay, this is a survey. We follow all the legal terminology or supposed to follow. We are going to follow as NEC, but any new thing we implement is going to be effective from 2023 NEC election, not right now. Then I think many of us like maybe okay. That's independent. Like, it is not going to affect next election, but it is going to affect from the following election or the after 2 years, after 4 years. So right now we are in the process for like make a survey. And more brainstorming about all the points they decide, or maybe more point come from the members at large actually. Then there is a committee, legal committee will discuss like how is possible. Then maybe absolute majority also we need to change the constitution. Following that, maybe it apply after 2 or 3 or 4 years in the next NEC election. Like not. That's my personal opinion. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for your input.
Okay, can we have Vijender Tanwarji, are you back? Vijender Tanwar,
Satish?
I hope it.
Vijendra Bhai.
Okay, let's go to Vivek ji. Yeah. Yes,
Unmute,
Vivek ji, aapko.
Yeah, I am unmuting myself.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm Vivek. I'm from Toronto, Canada. And I think we are having a serious meeting, so I just want to lighten some music, environment here. Now, I'm really deeply hurt by the content of the NEC letter. It talks about the WhatsApp group. Now, the thing is, I'm not part of any of the group, so it has caused me even depression. I'm just joking. Anyway, coming back. So, on a serious note, like this. Overall, the survey left a bad taste in my mouth. I did not complain because the point was I felt just like when I sent a complaint last time, nobody responded about the election. So I thought this is aggressive, but I still responded because even though I did not know what the survey, the need was, that's the major thing. I don't even know the need. The only thing they explained was we need more people, which I can imagine for the first question that they need 2 more people. But regarding charging fees, I can imagine elections cost money, so they're asking, but I'm not here to say maybe we could shift to some sort of electronic mode of elections so that there is no cost of mailing. And from what I know, NEC positions are voluntary and they are not paid any money. So it seems very illogical to be charging somebody money for a volunteer position. Regarding the third one, like NEC, like what is the NEC's working style to gain experience? Like the only thing I saw was they sent a service arbitrarily. So I don't need as experience. I can just decide whatever I want to do and do it. Probably that's the style of NEC. So what's there to learn about it? Secondly, regarding 4th point, I'm really confused. Confused because on the first point, they are saying we need 2 people because we need more working hand, correct? But at the same time, with point number 4, you are limiting the participation of people. So something is not adding up. So to me, these 2 are conflicting points. making me believe that the target is something totally different. This is just a mean to achieve it. So they want to achieve something else, and this survey is something there. And I did hear esteemed members saying, oh, this is just survey, just fill it up. How do I know? Where have they said that we are just sending out a survey? It has no meaning. How can we assume? We cannot assume. And I agree with Naresh Kumar ji that we should basically speak about it, the survey, and if like it should be implemented from 2023 and not from 2021. If, in my opinion, once the survey result is out, it should be ratified with the full membership as to this is what the survey results were, and this is what we are deciding. And I'll take off from where Abhishek ji left, that let seasoned people represent us. And I have only one thing to say to our seasoned members who are there, ex-presidents and everybody, just one thing: this survey should be cancelled. That's it. Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you. Thank you. I think that's the kind of
Yeah, I just want to add one thing with the Vivek ji and this one. Actually, look here, that is the good thing. I see the positive aspect of that survey is we all are talking, right? The second thing is like that somebody said that general body meeting should be not that one. So on the various forum, me, Kusum ji, and even Gajen ji, we have suggested that thing. If you want any changes, when you print the ballot, that time you print lot of questions, and in that one huge participation will happen, and you will get result as per your constitution. Like Kusum ji explained me that as per constitution, they need 60% attendance to make any constitutional changes into our Rana's bylaws and all these things. So that is also shared with Gajen ji, that do this kind of thing. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you, Abhishek. Virender bhai, आपका नाम मैं 3 बार बुला चुका हूँ.
सॉरी सतेंद्र जी, एक्चुअली ड्राइव कर रहा था मैं.
ओके, कोई बात.
तो सबसे पहले आप सब भाई बहनों को मेरा प्रणाम, नमस्ते, जय माता जी की. तो बीच बीच में सुनता रहा, तो ऐसा है कि नंबर 1 जो पॉइंट है उसमें जो है मैं सोचता हूँ कि मैं एग्री हूँ उसमें. नंबर 2 पे भी एग्री हूँ, और नंबर 3 जो है कि भाई उनको प्रेसिडेंट के लिए मतलब एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए, तो उस पे एग्री नहीं है. और जो दो बार इलेक्शन होने का है, तो उसके लिए ये है कि भाई कम से कम 4 बार होना चाहिए. हो सकता है कि बंदा 2-3 बार नहीं जीतते, तो किसी की मतलब इच्छा है राणा का प्रेसिडेंट बनने की, तो बनने दो, उसको क्या प्रॉब्लम, जो काम करने दो, है ना. जब स्लेट के लोग हैं, जो 4 आदमी मिल करके वो अंदरूनी डिसीजन लेते हैं, और उनके खिलाफ 4 आदमी में एक दूसरे के खिलाफ कोई ईमेल नहीं लिख सकता, ये भी उनकी कंडीशन है उसके अंदर. हमें भी नोट आया था कई बार पहले, हम नहीं गए इसी कारण से कि भाई हमारा जमीर हमें अलाउ नहीं करता इस काम के लिए. तो जो है उसके अंदर ये है कि भाई ठीक है, वो जो भी चल रहा है उनका, तो उस हिसाब से हमको आगे बढ़ के ये है कि थोड़ा सा कोऑपरेट भी करना होगा, थोड़ा सा राणा को भी चलाना है, और धीरे धीरे वो लोग भी रिटायर हो जाएंगे, इस काम से परेशान हो जाएंगे अपने आप ही. जब ऐसे उल्टे सीधे काम करेंगे तो मुझे लगता है कि परेशान होंगे. और राणा में जो यंग जनरेशन आ रही है वो ज्यादा हमसे क्वालिफाइड है ना, आईटी के हैं, डॉक्टर हैं, ये वो दुनिया भर के पढ़े लिखे लोग, अच्छे जानकार, अच्छे संस्कारित लोग हैं. तो मुझे लगता है कि बहुत अच्छा राणा को चलाएंगे. तो इसमें 2 पॉइंट ही मुझे लगता है, ज्यादातर जो लोगों से मेरी बात हुई है वो 2 पॉइंट है कि एक तो टर्म लिमिट जो है 2 साल का रखा, उसको कम से कम 4-5 बार के लिए करें, और दूसरा जो एनईसी में मतलब एक्सपीरियंस की जहां तक बात है कि वो अभी नहीं होना चाहिए, उसके लिए कम से कम 4 साल बाद करो उसको, ताकि जिसको बनना आगे प्रेसिडेंट, तो अभी से अपना उसमें जाना शुरू कर दे. अभी तक तो हैंड पिक्ड है ना, ज्यादातर जो है वो जो 4 सीनियर लोग हैं उनके हैंड पिक्ड, 4 सीनियर लोग, फिर उनके सबऑर्डिनेट 4 सीनियर हैं. तो इस तरह से ये 8 लोगों के जो हैंड पिक्ड लोग हैं, तो अब तो ये इन्हीं का ही टर्म रहेगा अगले 20 साल तक. हम तो मर जाएंगे, बूढ़े हो जाएंगे, हमारा तो कभी कोई चांस लगना ही नहीं है कि नहीं. राणा में 20 साल से काम कर रहे हैं, पैसे दे रहे हैं, और इनके झगड़े नहीं मिटवा रहे हैं. ये 4 लोग आपस में लड़े भी पीछे 4-4, 5-5 साल तक लगातार, है ना, तब भी इनके झगड़े नहीं मिटवाए. इनके सिंगों की जो घायल हमको किया, है ना, इनको छुड़वाए इन दोनों पक्षों को, तो अभी भी इनके पीछे लगे रहते हैं भी राणा में एकता करके चलो, अभी भी उल्टा सीधा बोलते रहते हैं, लिखते रहते हैं, रात और दिन हम इनको समझाते हैं। तो कहने का मतलब ये है कि उसके लिए ये है कि हमको जो है डरने की जरूरत नहीं है। और मैंने जो है अपने प्रेसिडेंट साहब जो हैं गजेंद्र जी, इनको भी लिखा है कि ये सब गलत है, आपको लोग मिसगाइड कर रहे हैं, या आप उनकी चमचागिरी करने के चक्कर में आप बहुत ज्यादा हद से आगे निकल गए हो, ये आपकी रेपुटेशन खराब हो रही है, इससे आपको ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए। आपको वोट दिया है पब्लिक ने, तो पब्लिक का ध्यान रखो। जिन्होंने वोट नहीं दिया वो भी आपके हैं, और जिन्होंने वोट दिया वो भी आपके हैं, तो आपको सबका प्रतिनिधित्व करना चाहिए, सबको रिप्रेजेंटेशन करना चाहिए। ये नहीं है कि ग्रुप विशेष का और जो है कुछ 8 लोगों का ये आप रिप्रेजेंटेशन कर रहे हैं, उनका कहना मान के आप जो मर्जी कर रहे हैं, तो ये सब नहीं होना चाहिए। तो वो एग्री थे और कहा भी ठीक है हम जो है। उसके बाद इन्होंने ये आज ईमेल भी भेजी है, व्हाट्सएप पे भी डाला हुआ कुछ लगता है। तो होपफुली एवरीथिंग विल गुड। प्रेशर अच्छा है, आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा किया ये करके, इससे प्रेशर बना, बहुत ज्यादा प्रेशर बना है, और वो लोग जो है मुझे लगता है कि इससे कुछ ज्यादा आगे नहीं बढ़ाएंगे। दो जो पॉइंट है जो खराब वाले, जो अच्छे हैं ठीक है उनको करने दो। तो यही है मेरा कहना। आगे तो आप लोग ज्यादा समझदार हैं। तो
thank you Vijender Tanrasya.
So
Satyendra ji, I think we are already hour and a half into the meeting, so I think
abhi open
yeah
I think we should go with Ajay ji. I think Ajay ji, Nagin Singh, 2-3 लोग बाकी रह गए हैं, तो let's hear from him.
I would also like to say something. This is Sunita Singh.
Sunita ji, yes, I could see you.
Go ahead, please.
So let's start with Ajay ji first, followed by Sunita ji.
पूनम सिंह भी है।
Oh, पूनम जी कहाँ दिखने नहीं है? Okay, let's hear Ajay ji, फिर सुनीता जी, फिर पूनम जी, नागेंद्र सिंह, ये 4 नाम और खाली बचा हुआ है।
ओके, तो मैं अपनी तरफ से सिर्फ यही कहना चाहूंगा कि ये मेरा पहला मीटिंग है, और मैं काफी कुछ इस बार मुझे समझ में आया कि क्या चल रहा है राणा में। और जैसा आप लोगों ने शेयर किया, कुछ डिसअपॉइंटमेंट तो है, लेकिन ये भी अच्छा लग रहा है सुनकर के कि ये जो ग्रुप है ये कितना एक्टिव है। इसमें ये ग्रुप जो है वो कितना एक्टिव है कि इसमें जो भी सुधार कर सकते हैं हम सभी लोग मिलकर के उसके लिए प्रयत्न करते रहें। और पॉइंट नंबर 3 और 4 उससे मैं बिल्कुल सहमत नहीं हूँ। और इस फोरम में ये समझ में आया कि इसके पीछे पर्पस क्या हो सकता है, क्योंकि इलेक्शन आ रहा है और यहाँ पर क्या है कि कुछ एजेंडा है एक छोटे से ग्रुप का। तो उन दोनों पॉइंट से मैं सहमत नहीं हूँ, और बस ये कहकर के मैं अपने बात को जो है विराम देता हूँ। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
थैंक यू अजय भाई। लेट्स गो टू सुनीता जी।
Thank you so much. Sunita Singh, I have been the president of Georgia chapter, Georgia Alabama chapter, and then the general secretary in NSC under Lakshmipati Singh's leadership. We talked about the process. Yes, I agree that is not the right thing, and I also agree with Krishna Singh that should be a ballot item. We talked about the content. I think the intent of the content is questionable, the implication that is malicious, and the impact is going to be disastrous. And I say that because if you look at the intent, why are they doing it just before the election? The implication, I think somebody said that, well, you don't really need that NEC experience. You may have an outside experience. There are people who own their own businesses. They serve in the community. Why do you need NEC experience to be the president? And asking for money when we are paying for dues for a non-profit, that's not correct either. And kicking somebody out or disqualifying them after two or three terms, that is not right either, because you can easily keep somebody out for 2 years and they would never qualify. That is not correct. And I say the impact is disastrous because by doing these kind of things, what we are doing is the few of people who have been Rana. I mean, we are just propagating them and we are keeping the new voice out, new people out. So that is not correct. And I also agree with one of our youth person here, Abhishek Singh, who said that what is the action item? We need to figure out after doing all this, what are we going to do? And I love one of the suggestions somebody said that we need to kick the survey out. I agree with that. Thank you.
Thank you, Sunita ji. So good to see you. Nagain Singh ji. Satish bhai, next up.
Yes.
Oh, okay, Satish bhai, ruk jaye. Nagain Singh ji.
Yes, I would. First of all, I am Nagain Singh from Georgia chapter, and I would like to echo the opinion expressed by most of the members over here that the survey should not and must not be used to change any constitution of the Rana. And I think I won't take too much time, and I'll say hi to all of you.
Thank you, Nagain. So good to see you.
Thank you.
Satish bhai.
नहीं पूनम सिंह को ले लो, बाद में मैं लेता हूँ।
Okay. पूनम जी दिख नहीं रही लेकिन हमको, है कहाँ वो?
है
पूनम जी।
और सतीश भाई।
Hello everyone.
एक मिनट, पूनम जी। हाँ, यहाँ पे है। सॉरी पूनम जी, मैं जानबूझकर आपको इग्नोर कर रहा था।
It's okay. पहली बात तो ये कि मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगा कि इसी बहाने सबसे मिलना और सबको देख पाए कनाडा से, और अदरवाइज तो ये होता नहीं। तो थैंक्स फॉर द सर्वे। और जो मुझे तो सर्वे पसंद ही नहीं आया, तो मैंने उसका आंसर देना भी जरूरी नहीं समझती। तो ये, लेकिन ये अच्छा हुआ कि हम लोग बैठे हुए हैं एक साथ और डिस्कस कर रहे हैं उसको, और उससे कुछ अच्छा ही निकल के आएगा, ये चीज फॉर श्योर है। और बहुत कुछ कितना सब लोग को इंटरेस्ट है राना के अंदर, वो देख के तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगा कि मतलब इट्स लाइक अ फैमिली अवे फ्रॉम फैमिली। जो मैंने ज्वाइन किया था और जो सोचा था, वो लग रहा है कि इट्स अ फैमिली अवे फ्रॉम फैमिली, इतने लोगों को देखकर। और ये जो सर्वे है इस इनवैलिड ही है, आप आंसर दें चाहे नहीं दें, इट्स इनवैलिड, क्योंकि दिस इज नॉट हाउ what Rana Constitution allows us to do. So, and वो जो third point है, to ask people for money, और जो like 2 time run करने का, what is that nonsense, right? So I totally disagree with this. And मेरा भी एक सर्वे मैं निकालने वाली हूँ जल्दी as a Rana member। तो ऐसे सर्वे हम भेजते रहेंगे और सब लोग भरते रहेंगे और देखें किसका सर्वे विन करता है। So I'm also very good in sending surveys. तो एक तो सर्वे, एक तो मेरा जो है कि जो मेरी सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है, और I hate that word, is that जब भी कोई NEC खड़ा होता है, एक लेडी को पकड़ के लाते हैं और बोलते हैं आप कल्चरल सेक्रेटरी बन जाइए, राइट? तो वो चेंज करना है। अगर मैंने देखा नेक्स्ट टाइम कि कल्चरल सेक्रेटरी एक वुमेन है, मैं तो हल्ला मचाने वाली हूँ। क्यों भाई, हमारा ही काम है कि नचवाना सबको, क्योंकि हम
गुड वन,
राइट? अभी मैं अपने हस्बैंड को नचाती हूँ, इसका मतलब है मैं सबको नचाऊं? What is this, right? कभी-कभी आदमियों को भी मौका देना चाहिए कि वो भी नचाए सबको, वो भी ये सब काम करे। So ये कुछ चीजें तो चेंज करनी पड़ेंगी उन लोग को।
एग्री।
वो सर्वे में निकालने वाला।
पूनम जी जो है, आज मैं किसी से बात कर रहा था राना में ही कि भाई जो है लेडीज जो है उनको राना को 4 साल के लिए 4 दे दो हमारी बहनों को, और जो है लेडीज को राना की, ये सारे मतभेद खत्म हो जाएंगे, झगड़े खत्म हो जाएंगे। लेट लेडीज रन द राना।
लेडीज ओनली NEC,
बस झगड़े होंगे नहीं।
ये तो
ग्रेट आइडिया एक्चुअली।
अभी आप खुद ही देख लीजिए, ये तो प्रूव हो गया कि जब कोविड फैला था तो जहाँ पे जिन कंट्री में लेडीज लीड कर रही थी वहां नहीं फैला था।
यस,
राइट। सो हम अच्छे लीडर्स हैं, इसलिए हमें सिर्फ कल्चरल सेक्रेटरी की जगह आप पोस्ट देंगे तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम होने वाली है। मैं सर्वे निकालूंगी।
I think there's a lot of unconscious bias, Poonamji, when it comes to what the point you made. Like there's a lot of unconscious bias towards gender, right? You know, and I completely agree. I think the best way to do it is to bring diversity, right? You know, so not just cultural safety, but promote somebody to be president, more women to be president, more women to be vice president, and promote. I agree. Promote more women to participate. I think I really like the Nari Shakti thing that's going on over there. I just kind of women power to all of you, and I feel like that you guys are going to make a huge impact to this politics around Rana and everything that is going on. So all power to you.
Yeah. Thank you.
I think we have Rekha Singh also.
Rekha ji, next आप आइए. So good to see you, Rekha ji. आप join की हैं.
रेखा भाभी जी कहीं दिख नहीं रही हैं इसमें.
वो आप बोलेंगी तब आएंगी. रेखा जी.
Yeah, she's connecting the audio.
भारती जी, हाँ, सेकंड स्क्रीन भी है.
रंजना भी है, सतेंद्र जी.
कौन भाई साहब?
रंजना, हाँ.
रंजना जी.
So while we are waiting for Rekha ji to connect, why don't we go to Abhishek? I know that you participated already, a lot of good point, but any final comments you want to add?
One thing, Satyendra ji, is the point number 2 is saying IT and the senior citizen. So we should talk about something like Lakshmi Pati ji we have Sanjay ji, we have Balram Singh ji. So we should, I already suggested them, and even I spoke to Kusum ji also, like we should create executive committee on top of NEC who will guide them, suggest them, and it should be not a position under NEC something, because think like that, one person is already holding a position of like a president and all these things, and they are above 70 plus or 75 plus. So there should be a group of people in an executive meeting. It should not that we need one senior citizen and 2 senior citizen. It is not like that. Might be IT, and the same thing I wanted like that. They should create ITs everywhere because of COVID pandemic attack and all these things.
I have to say something. Do you know what that senior citizen position means? Do you know?
In the survey, Bauji, in the survey somewhere they mentioned that we should create 2 more positions. One is a something.
I understand that. But do you know what is the function of that senior citizen secretary?
No. So that's why I'm saying that I'm not agree with that one. I'm saying instead of senior citizen secretary, we should create one executive board which will guide time to time to our NEC.
No. I suggested senior citizen secretary so that he can take care of the seniors, not the post. I don't want the
no. So Bauji, that is look here. It is everybody's guide and duty to help our seniors. What I want to say,
but like, nobody does it. Right now, I am 82 years old. Did anybody call me? No.
ओंकार भाई.
So
बोलिए.
Yeah, don't take it.
आप पहले आकर के बोले कि आपको जरूरत नहीं है.
नहीं बाबूजी.
I am the one who is sitting. I need your help.
Yeah, very good. So see here, बाबूजी, आपकी तरह ही हमारे बॉस्टन में भी ना शिवेंद्र सिंह जी हैं, हम वो भी आपके ही उम्र के हैं. हमारे पास जैसे अभी बहुत सारे लोग हैं सीनियर सिटीजन. तो एक्चुअली मैं अनफॉर्चुनेट रहा जो आपसे आज कनेक्ट हो रहा हूँ, एंड आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू दिस मीटिंग दैट फेस टू फेस आपका आशीर्वाद मिला. और आगे से आप देखिएगा, मुझे तो बहुत खुशी होती है जो मेरे साथ यंगस्टर टीम है उनको भी बहुत ब्लेसिंग मिलती है इस पे. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू हियर यू डायरेक्टली. मैंने आपके बारे में सुना बहुत था, पर आज दर्शन हुए.
चलो
अभी मैं न्यूयॉर्क गया था. आई एम फॉर्चुनेट इनफ कि 5-6 मुझे राना के और सीनियर मिले. उन्होंने एकदम बच्चे जैसा प्यार दे करके सब कुछ किया. So
Abhishek and I have talked before also, and it's a good idea to start this process and discussion, and we will involve a very large group, maybe 25-30 log involved honge to start the discussion, because it's not easy to move the referendum through 2/3 of the general body of Rana. Last time कोई भी change आया था constitution में, वो 2007 में था. So if we want to make a major change in the constitution, it's a major effort. It's very, very difficult. So let's start discussing अपने 25, 30, 35 लोगों का, अपने सीनियर्स का और यंग लोग जो इन्वॉल्व हैं उनका बनाते हैं ग्रुप, and let's get the process going. That's
correct. So
हाँ.
ऐसे लगना चाहिए, मतलब ये मैसेज नहीं जाना चाहिए कि हम सिर्फ क्रिटिक करने के लिए बैठे हैं, यहाँ से सजेशन भी जाने चाहिए कि पॉइंट नंबर 2 इस तरह से, दिस इज आवर सजेशन. एंड आई थिंक कुसुम जी, आप और हम लोगों ने पहले भी उसको शेयर किया है. लेट्स गो, अभी इस बार फॉर्मली इस तरह से ग्रुप के साथ जाएगा, दैट विल मोर एंड मोर अपीलिंग, और एटलीस्ट वी हैव 30-40 पीपल हियर ऑलरेडी, so we can inculcate their suggestions and all.
Right.
That's wonderful, Abhishek. Thank you. Satish bhai, मैं आपको होल्ड पे कर रहा हूँ. Let me see if Bharti ji is there.
From DC.
Bharti ji from DC. Okay, रेखा जी आप कनेक्ट कर पा रही हैं? Okay, तो सतीश भाई आप आइए नेक्स्ट.
भाई रंजना का
सॉरी सतीश भाई आपको होल्ड कर दो. रंजना जी को हम बुलाते हैं.
कोई बात नहीं.
रंजना जी सॉरी.
रंजना जी
रंजना
जॉब कर रहे हैं.
रंजना जी आप हैं लाइन पे? आई कांट सी.
लुक लाइक शी ड्रॉप्ड.
ओके सतीश भाई आप आइए नेक्स्ट.
हेलो एवरीवन, कैन यू हियर मी?
यस.
ओके. या वैसे तो सभी लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे पॉइंट्स जो किए हैं, तो या इट्स ऑल वैलिड पॉइंट्स टू प्रेशराइज द NEC. लेकिन इसमें मैं 2-3 चीज बताना चाहूंगा. नंबर 1 अबाउट द सर्वे. तो ये जो सर्वे बनाया गया है वो टोटली अगेंस्ट द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को फॉलो किया ही नहीं है. अगर आप कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पढ़ेंगे तो आपको पता लगेगा. नंबर 1 इट सेज encourage active participation of all members in this program. Number 2 needed to preserve and protect the best interest of the members. And सबसे बड़ा important point, what it says on last page of that constitution, section 18, it says any bona fide paid member of Rana whose membership has been approved by Rana National Executive Committee by February end and in good standing can contest any position of the Rana National Executive Committee. अगर ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में लिखा गया है तो ये कैसे मतलब ऐसा सर्वे बाहर निकाल सकते हैं? दिस इज टोटली अगेंस्ट दिस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. तो ये मैं कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की बात किया. नंबर 2 ये जो सर्वे उन लोगों ने जारी किया वो बहुत गलत टाइम पे जारी किया है, जस्ट बिफोर द इलेक्शन. क्योंकि ये अप्रैल में, वैसे तो इलेक्शन मतलब 15 अप्रैल तक तो इलेक्शन पूरा हो जाना चाहिए, तो 1 मई से नई कमेटी वो चार्ज ले सकती है. तो दिस इज नॉट द राइट टाइम टू सेंड दिस सर्वे. और इसमें ये जो NEC कमेटी है उसका पूरा मेलाफाइड इंटेंशन है. और मैं तीसरा पॉइंट ये बता देना चाहता हूँ ये NEC कमेटी को और इवन हमारे राणा को कि रंभा सिंह, she is going to be contesting as a president next year in this term, और ये उसी को बाहर करने के लिए ही ये सर्वे डाला गया है. तो ये पूरा उनका बिल्कुल मालाफाइड इंटेंशन है. तो जैसे विवेक राव जी ने बताया कि इसको मतलब कैंसिल ही कर देना चाहिए, उसको मतलब ये करना ही नहीं चाहिए. तो बस यही मुझे कहना है. दूसरा तो जो संजय सिंह वगैरह ने बताया कि भाई दे हैव नॉट फॉलो द प्रोसेस, तो ये भी है कि मतलब उन लोगों ने प्रोसेस फॉलो नहीं किया. और जब तक ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में जो लिखा हुआ है कि फरवरी तक जो मेंबर बनेगा वो भी NEC में कोई भी पोजीशन में पार्टिसिपेट कर सकेगा, तो जब तक ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन नहीं बदला जाता तब तक ये कुछ भी वैलिड नहीं है. दैट्स इट.
Thank you, Suresh bhai. Thank you.
Rajesh bhai, I think folks from our chapter are there, so maybe we can ask Sangeeta ji, our Vice President of Arizona chapter, to speak up now. Sangeeta Singh ji, video on करिए अपना. But before I go to Arizona, did I miss anyone from outside Arizona? I think.
Jai Narayan Singh, did you see the Jai Narayan Singh?
No, I did not see him. Jai Narayan Singh जी आप हैं? सेकंड पेज पे जाने दीजिए. नहीं, ये
कैसे कि बोले थे कि वो आएंगे.
कोई बात है, वो नहीं आए नहीं है.
नहीं, मे बी ड्रॉप कर दिए हों लेट.
या हो सकता है ड्रॉप भी कर दिए हों क्योंकि काफी लंबा चल गया हम लोग का. तो संगीता जी आप लाइन पे हैं?
कोई बात नहीं, यहाँ पे
अगर ओपन कर देते हैं, कोई भी मेंबर अगर बोलना चाहता है, जोड़ना चाहता है
और सजेशन देना
तो
चाहे तो
let's open it for next maybe 5-10 minutes or as long as you guys want to stay. So let's open the forums. I know that we have so many such good suggestions coming out for
Satyen ji, this is Abhishek again. Sorry to disturb you.
No problem.
So मैं ये बोलूंगा कि आप आउटकम बना के और एक कमेटी फॉर्म करके
जी
आप एक फॉर्मल ईमेल डाल दीजिएगा कि दिस इज द वी डिड दैट मीटिंग एंड ये लोग हैं. जैसे मैंने इसीलिए पर्पसफुली बलराम सिंह जी, संजय जी, इन सबसे भी बात की, और जैसे और भी बहुत सारे लोग हैं, एलपी सिंह जी हैं ना. तो आपकी ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होगी कि मीटिंग का आउटकम ये रहा, ऐसे बात हुई, फॉर्मल ईमेल डालिएगा और आगे कम्युनिकेशन चलती रहनी चाहिए. परिवार में मतलब मतभेद हो, मनभेद नहीं होना चाहिए.
That's right.
दिस इज द पर्पस. अब हम सबको अभी देखिए, हम सबको विनय जी का केस नहीं बोलना चाहिए. सबकी यूनिटी, एकता, उनके साथ ना एक अपना राजपूत परिवार खड़ा है और एक उदाहरण है वो पूरे यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स में ही नहीं, बाहर तक भी. तो उसको आप, आई नो दैट आपका इंटेलेक्चुअलिटी, आपका थॉट प्रोसेस सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा है. तो एक बारी अच्छे से समराइज करके आप भेजिएगा.
जरूर.
अभिषेक
भाई क्रिटिसाइज हमको कर रहे हैं क्या यार?
ना, एक बात. अभिषेक तुम जो बोल रहे हो बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो, लेकिन तुमको ये भी सोचना है कि कोई भी एनईसी का व्हाट्सएप पर कितना क्वेश्चन लोग किया. गुणवंत सिंह जी, ही इज ए सीनियर मेंबर. He asked for some information. Nobody from NEC gave him the response. So question is
that नरेश भाई NEC से हैं. नरेश भाई आप बताइए 10-12 व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में से आप किस पे एक्टिव है?
नहीं, मैं अभी NEC में नहीं हूँ. मैं I was for 4 years, not right.
डॉक्टर साहब
नरेश जो है नरेश जो है, आप नए हैं और आपको इस जो अभी जो सीक्रेट मीटिंग जो हुआ था उसमें जो कुछ सीनियर मेंबर को जो कि दे आर पार्ट ऑफ दैट ग्रुप, उन लोगों के पास गया था. ओके, बट और सीनियर मेंबर जो हैं, जो कि प्रेसिडेंट है, जैसे ओंकार सिंह है, मृत्युंजय सिंह है, और सब जो हैं, किसी को नहीं जाएगा. कारण कि उन लोगों के पास इसलिए नहीं जाएगा कि दे डोंट बिलोंग टू दैट ग्रुप. आप जो है, आप, आई एम नॉट सेइंग एनीथिंग अबाउट यू बिकॉज यू आर फर्स्ट टाइम आई मेट विथ यू ऑन दिस वीडियो.
एलपी सिंह साहब वो हमारे कन्वीनर है, फैमिली कन्वेंशन के, कन्वेंशन के कन्वीनर है.
अच्छा, that's good. But question is that कि I surprised about 6:55 or 6 o'clock, Gajendra, he sent that email to WhatsApp group about this is a propaganda and somebody wants to brainwash. That's the reason they have the Zoom meeting. As a president, you should not write this.
That was a very bad kind of email. I think he should. I think NEC should apologize for that. It was just looked very bad.
नहीं ये डिक्टेट करवा गया है, तो अब गजेंद्र सिंह भी क्या करें?
But still that is a very poor test, you know, means that shows that
नहीं, मगर आप मेरी देखिए, आप सबको प्रणाम। मैं जो बात कहना चाह रहा हूँ, देखिए हम लोग हमेशा से कहते हैं यंगस्टर जुड़ते नहीं हैं। मेरे साथ निखिल है जो अभी बॉस्टन से गया था, बहुत सारे लोग हैं यंगस्टर हैं, पर आज जब व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप देखा, मैंने 3-4 दिन बाद देखता हूँ। मेरी जो स्टाइल है, मैं देखता हूँ किसी का सुख दुख हो उसमें शरीक हो जाऊं, दैट्स इनफ। आज मैंने जो देखा, उसको देखने के बाद मेरे को लगता नहीं है कि इसमें यंगस्टर को डालना चाहिए। कोई भी जो पढ़ा लिखा आदमी है अपने बच्चे को नहीं इनकरेज करेगा, इवन इन दिस मीटिंग, कि आप जाओ और राणा को ज्वाइन करो। दे ऑल विल से दैट यू आर इन योर 30s and 40s, गो एंड अचीव अनदर माइलस्टोन एंड बिकम द मिलियनेयर।
Abhijit,
हम लोग को ये
Abhijit, I 100% agree with you.
Right, मगर हम I understand the power of unity. That's why I myself joined this organization, and I have always pride about this organization that I am the member of this one. I am lucky enough, even being a far away from my motherland, I am getting a father figure like you guys. तो मेरा यही कहना है कि इसमें बाबूजी देखिए, ये कोई ऐसा है नहीं कि प्रेसिडेंट का कुछ हमको यहाँ पे सैलरी मिल रही है या कोई बहुत बड़ा पोजीशन है ना इसमें। और आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि हमारे पे इतने अच्छे लोग हैं जो पॉजिटिवली कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं। हमको एक परिवार बना के ही चलना है आगे पीछे। मैंने लास्ट मिनट में मैंने सतीश भाई का मैसेज वगैरह देखा, एंड व्हाट एवर एफर्ट आई कैन पुट आई कैन फेच, लाइक मेरे से जो अच्छे लोग हैं उनको रख करके कि वो लोग कंक्लूड करेंगे।
No, you are nothing wrong with what you are saying. If you see
Can you
that,
come back on topic, please? It is getting late. So place of like bragging what I am.
Okay, we'll talk about that later.
सुनिए, आप लोग परिवार तो बहुत करते हैं, लेकिन अपने आप से पूछिए, हर चीज में आप लोग को शक ही क्यों दिखता है, ये बताइए पहले।
शक नहीं है कुछ।
Everything doesn't have to be black and white. Everything doesn't have to be black and white.
No.
और हर चीज में आप ये करिएगा, then there is no point to be part of this organization. This organization has no meaning. Only इसको गिरा, उसको मारो, उसको करो। राजपूतियों को तो यही है ना, एक दूसरे को गर्दन काटते चलो। अभी कहो कि भैया ये हमसे कोई बड़ा ही नहीं। It's not.
Okay, विवेक जी कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं।
Unfortunately, whoever wrote that what do you call the survey was not well. It should have been written by an attorney. So जिसने जो लिखा है, he was not very capable to express himself very clearly. That's what happened. Okay, उन्होंने बहुत black and white करके लिख दिया. It's coming out very harsh, and we cannot digest it. But I don't think the intention is bad, to be honest with you.
So we should get the clarification.
We should know how to write in a proper way. That's what I think.
Okay, I think Vivek has some point. Vivek, go ahead.
Yeah. So my point was, if somebody gives me a dessert and it tastes salty, then it is not a dessert. It's something which is salty. So in the email that came with the survey, described or touched upon the first 2 points, but it did not speak about the survey question number 3 and 4. So in point number 1, we are saying we need more helping hands. And in point number, basically asking people for money, making restrictions that, oh, you have to be first serving member of NEC before you can become a president. And third, that those who have stood for election for 2 times are ineligible. So here you are restricting. So I am really very confused. So these are conflicting messages. So I'm not done yet. Prabhaji, I am not done yet.
That's fine.
Yeah. So this is confusing for me and confusing for any logical person. So their intention is not right.
Well, okay, one more.
That you are saying.
Okay.
They are saying that this survey is not for making the constitution change.
Don't fill it out. Don't fill it out.
No. How do you know it is not for constitution change?
It says here, in the email it says here, right here.
There is nothing wrong.
Not to me.
For a survey, nothing wrong.
Well, but it's a different question.
Nothing wrong in asking for survey.
Email says here very clearly that I can read it to you. 1 second. Give me 1 second. This was just survey and it does not modify the constitution by any means. Okay, and how a survey can be undemocratic. That's it. They are saying that we are doing the survey just to know. I think they have the right, no problem.
That's what I'm saying.
Right.
So,
And
Onkar uncle, this
they are saying-
clarification came couple of hours back. So if you look at that email,
Yeah.
there is a new email which
Yeah.
said that clarification about survey. It came around 5
This is the third
p.m.
email, Uncle Ji.
Eastern time.
Yeah, but this is because it was
Yesterday
not
we
written by an attorney. That's all. That's what it was.
So Prabhat,
They should have responded
Mera
a couple of days back, right? If anybody reading email, first email came out, can easily interpret, they are saying, based on your input, we are going to make change. I think that email was very clear. So that email was bad. I don't know the intention, whatever it is, kind of thing. The email was bad, but the second email came today saying these guys, whoever is kind of opposing and question that, is kind of creating a problem, and that was disaster for NEC. And they
Bad choice of words. Bad choice of words. Whoever you wrote that, sorry.
Yeah, it's a president of organization writing that email.
Yeah. So
They did not
this
know how to write it.
this is Krishna here. Just I'm not sure if emails are going out to everybody. So I've only got one email that was on last Friday or whenever the survey came in. I haven't got any Rana email. So I'm not sure if everybody is getting consistently all the emails that we are talking about. So just pointing out.
That's another big good point.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Didn't get selected. people get-
Krishna, I didn't get this. What Onkar Bhai?
Yeah, me too.
yeah,
reading
I
that
didn't get
too.
it. I didn't get it that Bauji, and I didn't get it even clarification that is being talked about that there is not confusion. I've only got one the first time. Thank you. So
I think.
Thank you. Thank you. Sapinderji, I think we need to kind of wrap up this meeting. It's long.
I think
It's getting
Rajesh,
late,
let
so
us
let's
allow
open.
Shitanshu to speak. I think he's trying to speak something for a long
Okay.
time.
Okay. Let's get.
Shitanshu, go ahead. शतांशु, आपको कुछ बोलना था?
नहीं, हमने अपनी बात कह दी। मैंने तो पूरी बात कह दी कि अगर क्लेरिफिकेशन आ गया है कि ये सर्वे जो है सर्वे के लिए है, बेस्ड ऑन द सर्वे, nothing will be going to change. So that is good. That is a good news and it is a good initiative.
Yeah.
Still we should follow up with them. We should go back to them based on our meeting. हम लोग एक यहाँ से तैयार कर लें, कुछ लोग जाके बात कर लें कि ये कंसर्न था, और ऐसा कुछ करें कि पहले, and it is very rightly put कि we are a family, and पहली बार हम देख रहे हैं कि राना में इतने लोग और इतनी फैमिली एक साथ जुटी है और एक साथ जुट करके जो है सो बात कर रही है और किसी कंस्ट्रक्टिव कंक्लूजन पर पहुंचने की कोशिश कर रही है. So we should continue that. If Rana NEC is not capable of holding the GBM very regularly, it doesn't matter. We can have this kind of meeting, we can discuss and we can bring the changes.
Yes,
So that's it.
Always
Excellent point. Excellent point. Thank you.
Just another thing I remember, this is more attendance than last Rana general body meeting that I attended,
Absolutely.
This is the number of
Excellent.
participants are more than the general body meeting of Rana.
Yeah, you were right. I think, yeah, I called into that meeting. So, yeah.
तो मुझे मालूम है कि मैंने आप सब लोगों को बोलने का मौका दिया, हमको बोलने का मौका नहीं मिला था अभी तक. But Prabhaji, with all due respect to you, I know that you have a lot of power to make a difference in the Rana organization because you have gone through that phase in Rana when it was growing up. Things were pretty good, and then you have seen all this transition happening. So I think you are trying to be very positive about our community. I think the core issue is the trust deficit majority of the members have. And I think the responsibility lies with NEC and some of the prominent Rana leaders to reduce that trust deficit which members have. And I think if you remember, every time we go to WhatsApp and some discussion happen, everybody talks about transparency, which is a very good thing. I think from the transparency perspective, NEC is definitely lagging way behind. And I'm taking you to the Ranjana's question. Actually, Ranjana's question was that before sending this survey, had NEC deliberated it? It seems like, yes, they have done it. But then NEC should have posted that minute of meeting on the RANA website that, yes, this is the NEC had decided. They are not posting any NEC meeting details. The last meeting details we see is from December of 2019. So I think one of the suggestions definitely I will be putting into this as part of this meeting. And I think Prabhaji, you can definitely have a word with them. I think creating that transparency and reducing this trust deficit is very important. Once we are able to do that, things like this surveys and all will be very smooth. Means people will not even question that if that trust is there.
Put your everybody put your concerns. Send an email to NEC politely and not with any evil intention in your heart, and anything can be sorted out.
Yep.
You know. As I said, everybody is important. Everybody has a good intention. Everybody is good at heart.
Yep.
And
Parvaji,
I agree with that.
So don't make it a two group की लड़ाई हो रही है. ये वो चीज हमको खत्म करनी है. नहीं तो हम that's why our history shows we like fighting, and that's why we do not move ahead. गुजरातियों को देखिए ना, गुजराती जो कम्युनिटी है उसमें कितनी यूनिटी है जो हमारे में बिल्कुल ही नहीं है. Why?
Parvaji,
हमारा खानदानी है, हमारा खानदानी है. कभी हम लोग मिलके काम कभी किए हैं कि आज कर ले?
तो इसीलिए ना,
इसीलिए वुमेन को पावर दीजिए, वुमेन को पावर दीजिए.
Parvaji, still I remember 2010 in Mahavir Bhai house, we had a meeting. I was a convener, and people are fighting over there. And I that time I said, why don't you put that topic which you are not agree with that and move to other topic. उस समय आप बोली थी कि सिंह साहब आप why not आप रन कीजिए प्रेसिडेंट के लिए. Still I remember that. And उसके guess what? After 2 days, 3 days,